90 years ago, Karl Jansky, an engineer employed by Bell Telephones, created the science of radio astronomy when he published his discovery of radio waves emanating from the center of the Milky Way galaxy. In the 1930s, Jansky was trying to find the source of a mysterious radio noise. At the time, this interference plagued long-range ship-to-shore radio communications. There were many known sources of radio interference such as electrical equipment and thunderstorm, but there was also a persistent hiss that couldn't be linked to these. To locate the origin of this unexplained radio noise, Jansky built a large and elaborate receiving antenna mounted on a turntable. Jansky's merry-go-round, as it was nicknamed, could be rotated while the signal was monitored to determine the direction it was coming from. Using it, Jansky discovered the mystery static was not of earthly origin. It came from the sky. At first, Jansky thought the radio signal came from the sun, but he soon realized it was coming from a source outside the solar system. Through observations he determined the source was in the constellation Sagittarius. Jansky knew that the center of the Milky Way lay in this constellation, and he concluded that the radio interference was coming from the galactic core. By accident, an engineer had both invented radio astronomy and made its first major discovery. He published his findings in 1933, but his discoveries got very little attention. After the Second World War, radio astronomy took off around the world in part due to the wartime development of radar technology. Radio turned out to be a whole new way to explore the universe. Even objects we could not see emitted radio waves, enabling us to map the galaxy, discover pulsars and find the supermassive black hole Sagittarius A. You too can explore the sky in radio waves with Night Sky's Spectrum Array feature. Astronomers have come to realize Jansky's importance and have honored him in multiple ways. There is a lunar crater and an asteroid named for him, and the unit used by radio astronomers to measure the spectral irradiance of radio sources is called Th.